packed.
Europe is a treasure trove of incredible historical sites, cultural landmarks, and breathtaking scenery, making it a dream destination for explorers. With 44 unique countries, each offering its own people, languages, and traditions, deciding where to begin can be a challenge. Beyond its iconic cities, Europe boasts countless historic towns and charming villages waiting to be discovered. From stunning beaches and majestic mountains to enchanting fairy tale castles and ancient ruins, it's no wonder Europe draws over half of the world's tourists each year.